Girl over here, Melia Pan over there.
How you doing, honey? How you
Baby D
do?
over here. And I was reading this article today and I immediately thought of the three of us because it has to do with cleaning the house.
Oh, I don't like to do it. She does.
No, don't say what you like to do because it's in this article over here. So,
Oh boy, I want to see this
yeah,
one.
this is a trip. So a catastrophic injury lawyer has warned consumers against using three products that are commonly found in our hale here in Hawaii because they are cancer causing. Now, when breathed in, these chemicals can damage the liver and the nervous system and can cause skin and lung cancer.
Yikers.
So let me go down the list to see if you have these in your house. Air fresheners like Glade plug-ins.
Yeah.
Oh, we got plug. I use the Bed Bath and Body one.
Oh, the bougie one.
The bougie one. Yeah.
Well, we got the
I
Glade
use
one.
the cheap one. And lungs.
Yeah, well,
So does that count too?
they count. Well, I mean, I guess because some of them include formaldehyde. You know, formaldehyde, you wouldn't think that would be inside, air fresheners. And that can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat when exposed to it over short periods. Carpet shampoos.
Oh.
I always use carpet shampoo.
See, this is why I thought of us this morning. They can contain dangerous carcinogenic chemicals that can damage the liver, kidneys, and nervous system.
Oh, man.
And then,
my
Mele,
lords.
get ready for this one.
What?
Furniture polish.
And you guys know I'm the poster child for Pledge, right?
She's the pledge queen.
What?
Now, some products that are used to clean wood or furniture can
No.
cause skin and lung cancer and contain chemicals. Other products that you might have in your house too, Windex.
I use that all the time.
Swiffer, I use that all the time. And
Swiffer too?
Swiffer, yeah, because of the chemicals in all of these things. So I think the moral of the story is let's not clean.
Well,
No, I
guess I'm healthy. No, for real, I'm allergic to cleaning. It's not anything I'm good at. My family knows this about me, so they all do it. So I should go talk to my siblings and make sure they're safe and happy and healthy. But you're checking all those things off outside of the Glade plug-in thing. I'm not familiar with any of those other items.
She knows nothing about cleaning. I, on the other hand, have everything on the list.
I know. That's why.
Freaking out right
as soon as I
now.
read it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'll let Mele know about this one.
Doctor, I
This
gotta
is
go
crazy.
check my lungs tomorrow. Oh no, I'm freaking out.
Yeah, so-
I guess you know what I heard is good. I haven't tried it yet, but I heard it's good. Melaleuca.
Melaleuca, I use Melaleuca, or just go back to white vinegar.
Yeah, white vinegar, baking soda, and water. Yeah, I read about that.
Yes, I know. Us Filipinos, it's like white vinegar. We use that for adobo. Eating or cleaning, which one we're going to
So you're right about
choose?
a gallon's there. Clean and cook.
Yeah, check your